let's say you are given this question, xy equals to 0, and you are asked to differentiate it. How do you go about it? Well, to do this, it's simple. Don't forget that we are differentiating y with respect to x. Are you getting it? And anytime you differentiate y, you're going to multiply that derivative by dy dx. Do you get it? Now, I'm going to use product rule to differentiate xy because the sign between x and y is a product sign. Do you get it? So for this, keep x constant, x, differentiate y, you're going to have 1. And anytime you differentiate y, you're multiplying that derivative by dy over dx. Do you get it? So for this, I'm going to have multiply by dy over dx plus, now keep y constant, differentiate x. I'm going to have y times 1. If you differentiate x, you're going to have 1. 1 times y is what? Y. So this will be equal to what? 0, okay? Now for this, I'm going to have x dy over dx is equals to negative y, okay? All over x, this all over x, dy all over dx is equals to negative y all over x, which is the final answer. Do you understand? Okay, so we are still going to go over more questions on implicit function. Are you getting it? So just pay attention and make sure you watch this class till the very end, okay? Let's consider the question that we have on the board. We are asked to find the derivative of the function.
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section, okay? See you in the next class.